What is the Public Examinations Prevention of Unfair Means Act, 2024? This law was created to tackle the serious problem of organized paper leaks, cheating rings, and corruption that have compromised major government exams like those conducted by the NTA, NEET, JEE, CUET, UPSC, SSC, and railway boards. The main goal is to introduce a powerful, national criminal law to target the organized cheating gangs who profit from these illegal activities. Who the law punishes, the offences. The law primarily focuses on the suppliers of cheating, not the individual student candidate. The key offences are acts done for monetary or wrongful gain, and include, first, paper leaks and data theft, stealing, leaking, or selling question papers or answer keys, or accessing confidential exam material without authorization. Second, digital and result manipulation, hacking or tampering with the computer systems, networks, or resources used to conduct the exam. This also includes changing or fixing marks, merit lists, or rankings after the examination. Third, fraud and impersonation, arranging for a solver gang to take the exam for a candidate, or creating fake websites and issuing fake documents like admit cards. The punishments and penalties. The Act prescribes a severe and graded system of punishment. First, for individuals, general offences, any staff member, examiner, or other person involved in a regular offence can be punished with imprisonment for 3 to 5 years, along with a fine of up to 10 lakh rupees. Second, for organized crime, cheating gangs, for groups or institutions committing organized crime, the penalties are much harsher. They face imprisonment for 5 to 10 years and a heavy fine of not less than 1 crore rupees. Authorities are also empowered to attach and forfeit the property and assets of any institution involved in this organized crime. For exam service providers, companies, if a company hired to conduct the exam is involved in an offence, they will face a fine of up to 1 crore rupees. They must also pay the full proportionate cost of the cancelled or compromised exam, and they will be banned from conducting any public exam for 4 years. Furthermore, the senior management, directors, managers, etc., of the complicit company will also face personal liability, including imprisonment. Crucially, the Act explicitly protects the student candidate who is simply appearing for the exam. The severe penalties, imprisonment and huge fines, of the specific law do not apply to the examinee. An individual student who uses unfair means will instead be punished by the exam authority itself, which typically involves cancellation of their candidature and debarment, banning, from future exams. The only exception is if the student is proven to be part of the actual organized conspiracy or cheating ring. Follow for more legal shots. Like, share, subscribe. Command in Law.